The following segment is sponsored by Oakview Medical Associates.
No matter your age, location, or lifestyle, living through this COVID pandemic has had an impact on you. And some say, especially teenagers, have felt like their world was turned upside down. And Dr. Nita Bajor is here from Oakview Medical Associates to talk about it. Good morning, Dr. Nita.
Good morning, Margaret.
We're discussing depression in teens today and how to recognize it. So first, what are you seeing when it comes to the patients that are coming into your office?
It's a real difficult time for our teenagers. Hopefully we're getting through this pandemic now, but we're seeing a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress.
Well, and you talk about anxiety, and I know that that is part of regular life, but what signs of depression then would you want to point out that a teenager's family, that a teenager's loved ones should be looking for?
So the symptoms or signs that you may notice in your teenagers would be a change in their energy level, decreased energy, decreased or depressed mood, not wanting to participate in usual activities, just staying a little withdrawn, sometimes a little overactive as well. There can be a change in the appetite. There can be a change in the sleep pattern. There can be a decreased concentration or focus, change in the focus, ability to concentrate on things. There's also sometimes unusual behavior patterns that you might not have noticed previously in your teenagers. So just be a little more aware of your teens at home and just making sure you really communicate well with them. It's been a rough year for them.
Well, and now, if you think the teen in your life is dealing with some depression issues, what should somebody do? What kind of actions should somebody take?
Well, I think it's really important to make sure you foster a deep sense of communication. So if it's your child, someone you're close to, just making sure you reach out and talk in a very positive, empowering way with them. A lot of times depression sets in because of change or lack of self-esteem in kids. So sometimes if you bring it up in a way that is almost, it kind of makes them feel a little more embarrassed or shy, they may not open up. So just talk to them about your experiences and how things have been. And I think the number one thing is, if you recognize any change, do communicate with close loved ones and also your medical providers, your physicians. That's very important.
Well, and you've been seeing families at Oakview Medical Associates for many years. You're sensitive to what teenagers are going through right now. What is your message to them?
My message for our teenagers is that we love you all. We know it's been a different year for you, challenges with academics, extracurriculars, but we're all in this together. We'll all get through together, and we're here to support you very non-judgmentally. So please don't be embarrassed if you're experiencing any change or any symptoms. Number one thing is to communicate with your physician, your pediatrician, your medical providers, and your parents, your family, your loved ones, and keep it very positive, because we will get through this. This is not something that is going to get us permanently, but we're going to be rising above this and we'll come out stronger.
Beautifully said. And at Oakview Medical Associates, you've got your patients covered in all areas. You do it with an emphasis in lifestyle medicine. Before we go, tell us about your practice. What makes it so unique?
So our practice, Oakview Medical Associates, which is in Simpsonville, South Carolina, focuses on care for all ages. So we're a primary care medical practice. We're also function as an urgent care, same-day appointments. We see people of all ages. We really focus on getting you from any sickness you're dealing with to the wellness state. So keeping you healthy, making sure you are up to date on all your screenings, cancer screenings, keeping you on a path of, making lifestyle really intentional for your health. So making you aware of all the nutrition benefits, exercise benefits, good sleep, social connections, and stress management. So we also function as a weight loss center, which is really nice. We have a gym on site. We have personal trainers and health coaches. And it's just been a wonderful mix of getting you from a path of sickness to wellness and keeping you there for life.
And you've got a great way of connecting with people, and they love working with you. Oakview Medical Associates, located at 11 Five Forks Plaza Court in Simpsonville, the number 627-0444. Dr. Nita Bajor from Oakview Medical Associates, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.